gosh, you guys, you made it. This is our celebration. We decided to end this challenge with the walk dance, which is what started all this challenge shenanigans in the first place. Was our walk dance from last year, was insanely popular with you guys and with our subscribers online. So we wanted to bring you a brand new one to finish this challenge. If you finished it and you did all 9 classes, I hope that you are so proud of yourself. I hope that you felt healthy, happy, and felt a little something move inside of you that makes you want to continue on this journey to finding the best version of yourself and living your best life. Again, I would like to remind you that every single person gets to start the studio online with 2 weeks free. That way you can check out everything we have to offer, look at all of our live streams, and see if it's something that fits into your lifestyle of health and happiness and awesomeness. Yeah. Basically. All right, let's celebrate with a little walk dance. We're gonna start with a little hands up, body roll to the left. Yeah. Do it again. That music's gonna kick in and you're gonna make this a little bit bigger. Big body roll. Yeah. And left. You know how these walk dances work? You get to practice the move over and over so you feel confident and you've got it. Stay here, a little bigger. You can make it your own right there. Maybe a little booty pop party. Yeah, and right. Left, roll it. Hey, and left. Right, and roll it. We're just gonna step tap right here because we're just warming up. Get a little pep in your step. You can tap that heel forward and then tap it back. Back to that top move. Right, left, and roll. Yeah. Take it left and right. How you feeling? How you feeling? Hey. The last one, we're gonna go back to that step tap. Maybe a little reach with the hands. Take a breath. You can take that heel forward. You can take it back. You can do anything you want with it. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we've hurt are you and me. Nice. Take it up right side. And roll it. You can make that a little bigger. Now I want you to really focus on this body roll and finishing it out. Pretend like that booty's playing that little pop. Boom. Yeah. Step tap. Yeah. Tap it back. Again. Hup. Roll it. Yeah. At the bottom of that body roll, hit, yes. Step tap, finish this off. We're gonna add another move on. It's gonna come right after that body roll. Don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. Give it your best, have fun with it, no matter what you do. All right, here we go. Inhale, arms up. And exhale out. I'm gonna go slow, and then we're gonna put it to the tempo here, around, here. We go single, single, double. Then we go to the left, around, top, single, single, double. Okay, one more time, slow, boom. Hey, little head whip, if you want it. Nice, we're gonna speed this up. Here we go. Hup, hup, to the right. Yeah. To the left. Hup. All right, back to that body roll. Right here, we're gonna put that together. Roll it down. Hey, and left. We do this 4 times. Then we go back to that knee pop. Hey. One more. Hey, here we go, right side. Hup. Yes. Practice makes progress. Progress builds confidence. The more confident you are, the more fun life is. Isn't that the truth? Step tap. Just take a little brain break. Like, process it. You're doing great. I hope you're feeling good. Feeling a little sexy, feeling a little badassy, a little sassy. In 4, 3, 2. Bring that right hand up. Throw it down. Hey. 2 more. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Right, left, single, single, double. You got it. 2 more. 1 more. Step tap 4 times. 4, 3, 2. From the top. Here we go. And roll it. Get it. Hey. Head whip to the right. Go. Boom. Hey. I hope you're feeling confident with this. Yeah, there it is. Little hair whip, head flip. We're going to end with a little step tap right here. Okay, 3rd move. You know how this works, okay? 3rd move is my favorite of the whole entire thing. I'm going to show it to you slow, then we're going to put it together. It goes with that really heavy beat. There's nothing that feels as good as hitting a heavy beat. I'm scooting back because the first thing we're going to do is jump up, you run back, and then you do whatever you want with those feet. Feel that music picking up? Yeah, tap it back or front. Here we go. Are you ready? Run it. Feet, you groove. Again. Hey. We're going to do it again. Let's slow it down. Jump, hold, run it back. Watch my feet. Right, left, right. Or you do what Jade is doing. Or whatever you want to do. Right there. Okay, you ready? Speed this up. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. 1 more. All right, back to that top move right here. Breathe. And roll it. Left. How you guys doing? Yeah. Again. I'm sweaty. Nice. We're going to do 2 more of these, okay? 2 more. 4, 3. Head whip to the right. Here we go. Now you know this. Boom, boom. All right, step tap right here. Tap, tap. You know what's coming. It's that new move that we just learned. That jump forward. Run it back. Tap for 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Again. Again and again. Here we go. Boom. Yes. Explode. Take up space. Yeah. 1 more. That's 3 moves. Guess how many you have left? 2. You're almost done. All right, this next move is really, really fun, okay? It's really, really fun. You just tell yourself that. We're going to do a burpee. You'll go down, back, up, stand, 2 shoulders right, 2 left. Okay, let's go slow. Down, back, and stand, 2 right, 2 left. Let's speed it up. Hey! Ow! You got this. Now, the girls in the back are showing a modification. If that burpee's too much for you, keep going. Let's do 2 squats, shoulder, shoulder. Nice work. One more time. Yeah. All right, let's breathe. Now we get to put it all together. Roll, roll. So we have this move. This is our first move. Second move is that head whip, knee turn in. Okay, I want you to make it big. Third move is gonna be just a little step tap and then that jump forward. Let's take it right here because we all forgot. It's okay. Let's go right here. Turn, turn. 1, 2, right there. Turn, turn. Again. All right, step tap. Here we go. Put your hands together. Get yourself pumped up because the next two moves, you jump forward, you run back, you groove, and then you take it down for that burpee. Are you ready? Yes. We're gonna do fast feet right here. Feel yourself full of energy. Now listen, 4 step taps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Jump forward. Go. Groove. Two more. Burpees. Take it down. Shoulders, right and left. Down. We're gonna stay right here with those shoulders. Yeah, all right. We're on to the last move. Are you guys ready? It's a jump squat and then a squat. And we shuffle right and we shuffle left. It looks like this. Down, jump, down, and stand. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. How you doing? Down, explode, down, and stand. Shuffle left, 2. We're gonna speed this up. Here we go. Yes. And shuffle. Jump on that beat. Nice. Woo-hoo. We're gonna stay right here with this, okay? A little tricky to catch. You're doing great. Woo! Hey! Explode! Yeah. One more. Yes, girls. Nice job. Step tap. Take a breath. Guess what? All we have to do now is put it all together. There's 3 minutes left. Well, probably about 5. How you guys doing? You got 5 minutes in yet? Yeah. Up. Breathe. Take it down. Hang. This, you're gonna do 6 of these instead of 4. The music's a little different here. There you go. You got 4 left. Don't forget to finish that body roll like we talked about at the beginning. Hey. Yeah, get it, girls. All right. Head whip to the right. Pop. Pop. Single, single, double. You got this. Boom. Boom. Woo! Flinging my hair around to give me a little breeze. All right, here we go. Step, tap, step, tap. Remember, you're gonna hear that break of the music, and you do 4, 3, 2. Let's hit this hard. Two more. And by 2, I meant 1 more. Burpee, take it down. You want to jump at the top of that burpee? You certainly can. It's a little hard to catch that shoulder move. Or you just squat 2 times. New move. Inhale up. Body roll. Yes. Now this time, we're going to do the first 4 moves, and that move that we just learned with that shuffle, we're going to save it for the next round, okay? Do it again. 2 more of these. Hop, hop, roll, hop that booty. Yes, boom. Hey, head whip, right side, let's go. single, single, double. Hey. You need a little breeze to cool you off with that hair. All right, here we go, step tap. Step tap, step tap. Put your hands together, pump it up. We got that jump forward and that run back. In 4, 3, 2, let's go. Stay low, get those legs burning, get that sweat dripping. Take it down for a burpee. Let's do this. Shoulders. Remember, you do those 2 squats, you do you, babe. This is your time, your body, your workout, your life. 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe. All right, we're putting it all together, all 5. All 5 moves, 2 times through, and then you are done. Okay, head whip, let's go. Single, single, double. What? 2 more. Have fun with it. Make it count. 4, 3, 2, jump. Boom. Hey. Let's go. Again. 1 more. How about those burpees? Let's go. Shoulders. Again. All right, that jump squat shuffle is coming up in 4, 3, 2, let's go. Shuffle. Yes, explode. Nice job, ladies. Yes, explode. Yes, boom. 1 more. That's it. Now we're just gonna breathe. Lift. Catch your breath, you should be out of breath. Okay, again, modify as needed. If you need to do those squats, anytime, any place, you can take out the jump. 2 more of these. Feel it. Confidence is everything, babe. Get it. Head whip. All right, fast feet. This one's a little different. There's a little pause. We're gonna do fast feet. We're gonna step tap, and then we're gonna jump. 4 of these. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Again. Burpees, take it down. Shoulder. You got it, you're so close. 1 more burpee, and then you're gonna strike a pose of power, because you are powerful. Yes. Beautiful job. All of us, I know I speak for every single one of us in this room, when I say we are so proud of you, and we are more than proud, we are honored to be trusted with such an important part of your life. Forever and ever and ever honored and grateful for you. Thank you so much. Have a fabulous day. Don't forget to press that play button. See you soon.